अरे 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 This dramatic start has to be because I'm finally back on my proper routine, and yay, my weight is also back. So I got into my original weight, which is 55 kgs from 57 kgs, which was a month ago. So if you didn't know, I started a 30 days challenge because I was off track with my exercise and food with Christmas and Pongal months, those December and January months. There's a video called 30 days challenge on my channel. You can go check that for the further details. And of course, definitely I lost my inches too. So here they are. There is quite a good difference in my lower body measurements. Here they are. Andarki namaskaram, na peru Divya and welcome back to my channel Explore with Divya. Before we get into the details of my 30 days, I request you all to please subscribe if you are a new visitor because it will mean the world to me. Okay, so as you all know, if you are following me on Instagram, you would be knowing that I updated all that I'm eating right from my morning drink to night tiffin. So I've updated it for the first 2 weeks and stopped because I didn't want to bore you guys to show the same food routine each and every day because I don't want you guys to unfollow me. So yeah, I didn't mean the same food but the same food style. So yeah, I thought you'd be having an idea of what I'm eating and how much I'm eating for the first 2 weeks. So I thought that would be enough. So to give a brief update about my food consisted of the homemade food and also outside food because I had to attend some functions. So and also I have eaten the junk food which I craved for, which are my cheat meals, like off record and on record, whatever. So yeah, I've eaten everything that I wanted, but if you observe, I maintained the proper portion control. Okay, it's not like every time I maintained it. Once in a while it's okay to go off board and eat like a beast, but it's not recommended all the time or more than a particular number. So yeah, I think you're getting what I mean to say. So I definitely made a conscious effort to eat whatever I'm eating in a proper portion controlled way. Food, check. So coming to my exercises, I made sure to exercise from almost 4 to 6 days in a week. Generally one day will be the active rest day for me, which is generally Sunday, and it is actually practically not possible for us to work out every day, right? Although we have to, but one day or the other we'll miss, so it's okay. There has been also a week where I exercised only 4 days, but that's okay, fine, okay. Even 4 days a week is also quite a good number. So yes, and also along with my 1 hour of workout, I also completed the 10k steps, which also I have been updating daily on Instagram even now. So if you are not following me on Instagram, this is a chance. Please go and follow me there after watching this video. Exercise, check. And then water. I've been drinking almost 2 to 3 liters of water every day. So water, check. So yeah, this is it. I made a proper conscious effort to what I'm eating and how much I'm eating in the first 2 weeks, but after that it completely got dissolved. Okay, I am not being conscious. I'm already eating like the proper thing without making a conscious effort. That means I got habituated to my routine. So yeah, I will be living my proper routine until again the same festival thing hits me, but it's okay, we'll get back on track. Okay, so the thing is, all of us will make plans, but only some of us will stick to it. So it is super important to make ourselves a priority no matter what. సో యా మనం ఒకటి అనుకున్నామంటే దానికి స్టిక్ అయి ఉండడం అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆల్ హ్యావ్ అప్డేటెడ్ మీ దట్ యూ ఆర్ ఆల్సో గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ యువర్ 30 days challenge. I hope you are on track. Even if you are not, it's okay, no worries, better late than never. So get back on track as soon as possible. So yeah, this is it. I am going to continue with my routine and get better each day. And the other thing I want to tell you is, of course my weight is 55 now, but tomorrow morning if I wake up and see my weight, it can be 56. So chumma, weight is not a priority, okay? So weighing scale doesn't matter if you are healthy. So do check with your inches, body inches, and you will be knowing with your outfits and dresses how they are going to fit ani. And in case if you need any motivation and suggestions related to weight loss, please be free to DM me on Instagram. We'll discuss it and figure it out. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up and also share this to all of your friends and relatives. Please subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.